Hi there traders, and this is Steve Miley, Market Chartist on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and we're now going to take a look at the US dollar versus both the yen and versus the Canadian dollar. Differing tones in here as we move into more of a risk-off scenario. So the early December trade war truce did little to alleviate negative pressures in here, negative concerns regarding the trade war between the US and China, and we've seen then really a risk-off scenario develop, which has seen a safe haven bid to the yen. So dollar yen selling off in here in early December, probing down through this support in here at 112.27. We've kind of seen a range environment developing here between 112.27 and really up to 114.21, 114.04, but the sell-off in here to probe down to 112.25 in here below 112.27, enough for us to shift our intermediate outlook to more negative. And we do see negative pressures coming through going into December and for lower price action as the yen catches a bid in this risk-off safe haven scenario. For the dollar versus Canadian dollar, the US dollar outpacing the Canadian dollar in here. Again in here, risk-off scenario, so the US dollar benefiting partly from safe haven status in here, partly from concerns that the trade war between US-China could continue and be more damaging for the exporting Canadian economy. So we had this erratic activity in here at the end of last week because of the US employment and Canadian employment reports, but the underlying bullish theme in here right away from the beginning of October is intact, reinforced by this early December surge higher to take out these peaks in here from June, from the summer of this year, and that leaves the intermediate term outlook for dollar CAD still bullish as we go into December. This has been Steve Miley, Market Chartist for ForexFraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.